These no bake chocolate oatmeal cookies are super delicious with that decadent chocolate taste mingled with that peanut butter flavor and with that chewy oatmeal texture. This no bake oatmeal cookie recipe is so simple and easy that we can make them with only a few basic ingredients. We don't require any special equipments to make these cookies, and we don't even need to bake these cookies in the oven. And we can make this cookie mix in less than 10 minutes, and then all we have to do is to wait for until they cool down. So in this video, let's see how easy it is to make this wonderful no bake chocolate oatmeal cookies. To make these cookies, we'll need some oats, sugar, milk, a cocoa powder, butter, peanut butter, and a pinch of salt and vanilla extract. So into a saucepan, let's add in the butter, sugar, cocoa powder, milk, and a pinch of salt, and mix them all together and place it onto the stove top. And now cook over medium heat and bring it to a boil. And when we see bubbles are starting to form, allow it to boil for another 1 minute. So once it reaches that 1 minute of boiling, let's remove the pan from heat. And now let's stir in the butter, vanilla extract and oats into this until they are fully combined. Now our cookie mix is ready, and let's drop in the mixture onto a parchment lined baking tray. And in another 5 minutes, let's wrap the baking tray with a plastic film and place it in the freezer for 15 to 20 minutes or until they become firm and set. And these no bake cookies are one of our family favorites. It's so easy to make and at the same time super delicious. They are soft and chewy, and that blend of chocolate and peanut butter flavor makes them even more delicious. And if you like to add a bit of crunchiness to your cookies, you can add crunchy peanut butter instead of creamy peanut butter. And if you want them to be more fudgy in texture, you can increase the amount of peanut butter to 3/4 of a cup and then reduce the butter to 1/4 of a cup. And to make these no bake cookies, it's best to use quick cooking oats. I've also made cookies using old fashioned rolled oats, and they turned out to be more chewier in texture. And so I really recommend using quick cooking oats to make these no bake oatmeal cookies. So I hope you like this no bake oatmeal cookie recipe, and I hope you will make this at home, and I hope your whole family will love it. And if you like this video, please give your valuable thumbs up, and please don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and family who love cookies. And thank you so much for your love and support, and thanks for watching this video. See you next time.